Let's talk about the benefits of participating in the Recycling Supply Chain Innovation Challenge. NextCycle Michigan Challenge tracks can be seen as circular economy accelerator programs. They take a model developed for advancing tech-based businesses and apply it to the recycling system, which is sorely in need of an injection of innovation and collaboration. Participating in the RSC Challenge will help to advance your project concept into an investable, shovel-ready project. We achieve this by providing mentorship, technical assistance, networking, access to funding opportunities, and public recognition. The RSC track provides a growth opportunity for successful applicants. We want to expand teams' ideas of what they are capable of, while simultaneously refining their plan into a successful pitch. Through one-on-one support and mentorship with industry experts, alongside intensive workshops and co-learning experiences, the RSC Challenge track will help successful applicants incorporate innovation and best practices into their business plans while grounding those plans in the context of the Michigan landscape. Successful RSC applicants are brought into the expansive NextCycle Michigan network, which encompasses many of the key players engaged in the state's recycling supply chains. Teams will have access to many opportunities to connect with key experts and investors in the industry. Track leads and mentors will work with the teams to foster and develop those relationships while connecting them with the broader ecosystem, including feedstock suppliers, equipment providers, customers, investors, and other possible strategic partners. Access to funding opportunities is a key benefit as well. This includes potential facilitation of direct partner and investor funding opportunities, ranging from grants, low to no interest loans, impact investments, and/or equity investments, in addition to a dedicated award pool and a dedicated pool of Eagle grant funding for RSC track participants. Participation in the RSC Challenge also comes with recognition and publicity. NextCycle Michigan has a dedicated communications and marketing team. Participants will be promoted through press releases, social media, mass emails, conferences, webinars, published articles, and other channels. This is a great chance for exposure to potential investors and partners. More specifically, teams accepted into the RSC track will be provided with the following programming schedule. A dedicated mentor will be assigned to guide teams through the 6-month cohort experience. Additionally, teams will have access to leading subject matter experts from the RSC track advisory panel. Experts can help guide businesses in project planning, provide insight into the recycling landscape and markets in Michigan, build connections along the supply chain, and more. Teams will each be provided with an individualized work plan designed around the team's specific needs. Teams will participate together in an innovation and partnership boot camp, which is a multi-day intensive experience, including workshops focused on refining project or business plans, identifying funding and investment opportunities, leveraging partnerships, developing the perfect pitch, and interacting with other teams in the RSC cohort and industry experts performing the trainings. The program includes a stipend to assist in covering any associated travel costs for events. Each team will receive one-on-one consulting from one of the NextCycle Michigan team, including Resource Recycling Systems, RRS, Centropolis Accelerator, and the Michigan Recycling Coalition. Assistance can come in many shapes and forms based on what teams need, including but not limited to business planning and strategy, refinement of the value proposition, equipment and process assessment, permitting and policy insight, market assessment, and marketing and graphic design support. Teams will have access to data in a resource room. NextCycle Michigan has developed a custom data set, including information on material generation and recovery, processing infrastructure, economic and environmental benefits, demographics, policies, best practices, and more. Finally, teams will participate in a culminating event we're calling the NextCycle Pitch Showcase. Teams will have the opportunity to pitch their venture to potential funders, investors, partners, and community leaders at the conclusion of the accelerator program. If you'd like to hear more about the types of projects that should apply for the RSC track, check out our next video.